Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make tea masala at home. To begin, gather your essential whole spices. You will need 8 green cardamom pods, 4 cloves, and 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. Also, include a 1-inch cinnamon stick, 1/2 inch of dried ginger, and 1/4 of a whole nutmeg. Ensuring all your spices are fresh is key for the most potent and aromatic blend. Next, we will gently dry roast our whole spices. Place them in a dry pan over very low heat. Stir them continuously for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. You will notice a wonderful aroma filling your kitchen as they become fragrant. This vital step helps to awaken the natural oils within the spices, significantly enhancing their overall flavor profile for your tea. Once roasted, it is essential to let your spices cool down completely to room temperature. This prevents them from becoming oily during grinding. Then, transfer the cooled spices to a spice grinder or use a mortar and pestle. Grind them into a fine, consistent powder. Be careful not to overgrind, as this can release too much oil and result in a less desirable, clumpy texture. Finally, proper storage is key to maintaining your masala's freshness. Transfer your homemade tea masala into an airtight container and store it in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. When stored correctly, it will remain fresh and potent for up to 3 months. To use, simply add 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of this aromatic blend per cup while brewing your tea.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.